Introducing the Molex Custom Cable Creator, available on Molex.com. This cable designer allows you to develop the right cable to fit your specific application. By following this 6-step process, you'll design a custom cable, and Molex will provide you with drawings, a quote, and a sample. To begin creating your cable, scroll down to Connectors and Cable Side A. Click on the Edit button to design Side A of your cable. Use the drop-down menu to design the Side A connector end type for your cable. In this example, we'll use Microfit 3.0. The concept image of the connector serves as a reference. Once you have selected all drop-down fields, move to the next step by clicking on the Save Settings button. Choose your cable type. Select the assembly wire gauge by clicking on an option from the drop-down menu. Then choose your cable style. Lastly, enter your cable length in the numerical value box. The cable length is measured in millimeters and can range from 100 millimeters to 9,999 millimeters. Please enter a value in the cable length box, then click on the Next button. To design the Side B connector for your cable, click on the Edit button. You have the option to mirror Side A by clicking on the red button and have the same connector style on both ends of the cable. Or if your design requires a different connector, click Clear Side B and begin the process to design Side B. We'll use the drop-down menu to design the Side B connector end type using NanoFit, but you have many options to choose from, including single-ended pigtail. Once all drop-down fields are completed, choose your latch orientation. Click on the red Save Settings button to move forward. Now it's time to configure your pinout of Side A and Side B connectors. You have the option to click on the standard configuration, pin 1 to pin 1, or Customize. For this example, let's click on the red Customize button, which opens the pinout configuration chart. By clicking on the A2 square, you'll be presented with configuration options for Side B. On the Edit Connection tool, you can choose where A2 will connect with Side B, or you can set as Voided Circuit. Once your pinout is complete, choose the wire color. Molex recommends black or red. A free sample can be provided with black wire. Click on a circuit and change the color of the cable, which is indicated in the top right of each circuit square. The rest of the circuit squares can be set to void if needed. Once the customized pinout is completed, hit Save and Close. Next, choose your bundling accessories. If you choose cable ties, please select the quantity amount for your cable. You also have the option to not click on any bundling accessories. Finally, you have the option to create a label by clicking Yes in the drop-down menu, or you can have no label. Fill in additional cable requirements as needed in the open field below, then click on Next. You have now created your own cable. You can always receive a drawing and 3D model. Plus, you have the option to get a preliminary quote or sample. After you have filled out the required fields, click the Submit Cable to receive a drawing and 3D model button. You will receive an email confirmation from our cable creation team with your drawing and model. If you have any questions when using the Cable Creator, email us or click on the links on the top right side of the screen. Thank you for using the Molex Custom Cable Creator.